Most MSMEs today are stuck between growth ambition and system chaos. I have worked with founders across industries to break this cycle using AI-driven strategies, sales excellence, and inner clarity rooted in Vedanta. I am Abhinibhushan Bera, AI-driven MSME growth strategist and sales coach. This channel is for you if you are building something meaningful. Let's get into today's episode. Most MSME founders tell me we have a CRM but deals still slip through. The truth? It's not the software, it's how you are using it. Today I will show you 5 pipeline leaks that quietly kill revenue and how to fix them.
Let me start with the first part, why CRM is not just a tool. Let's start by realigning how we think about CRM. CRM doesn't stand for Customer Record Manager. It stands for Customer Relationship Management, emphasis on relationship. CRM is not about logging data, it's about driving deals. When used correctly, your CRM can, number 1, show you exactly which leads to follow up with today. Second, predict which deals are likely to close. Third, alert you when a lead is going cold. Fourth, help your team stay focused and aligned. And fifth, help you stop revenue leakage. But most MSMEs and even many corporate sales teams underutilize or misuse their CRM. They treat it like a filing cabinet, not a sales comment center. Let's talk about what that looks like. So, the 5 deadly pipeline mistakes in CRM. There are these 5 most common ways your CRM may be leaking revenue right under your nose. Mistake number 1. No deal stage definitions. If your CRM pipeline just says lead, proposal, follow-up, closed, and so on and so forth, that's not a pipeline. That's a to-do list. How to fix it? Define clear stages based on buyer intent and action. For example, MQL, Marketing Qualified Lead. SQL, Sales Qualified Lead. Discovery call completed. Proposal sent. Decision pending. Verbal approval. Closed, won or lost. Why? Because your follow-up strategy depends on where the lead really is. Mistake number 2. Stale or forgotten deals. How many leads in your CRM haven't been contacted in 30, 60 or even 90 days? Every stale deal is a potential lost deal. Fix it. Set automatic reminders for every stage. Even better, use AI tools to flag deals that haven't moved in X days. So, smart CRM is equal to smart follow-up. Mistake number 3. CRM only used by one person. In many MSMEs, only the owner or one salesperson uses the CRM. Others track in Excel, some in WhatsApp, some not at all. That creates chaos. Here is the fix. Make CRM usage mandatory and of course easy. Standardize fields, train the team, tie it to performance reviews if needed. Your CRM is only as powerful as the consistency of your team. Mistake number 4. No reason logged for lost deals. Most people mark deals as lost without explanation. Fix it. Create drop-down reasons like pricing, timeline, went with competitor, no decision, budget not approved, or whatever it is. This data becomes your gold mine for sales coaching, objection handling, and content creation. Mistake number 5. No AI or automation layer. If your CRM is 100% manual, you will struggle to scale. Fix it. Use ChatGPT to first drop follow-up messages. Second, write proposal recaps. Third, summarize call notes. Use CRM automation to first send follow-up reminders. Second, score leads. Third, alert managers of pipeline risks. AI doesn't replace the salesperson. It replaces sales repetition. Now let me bring this to life with a few use cases. Use case number 1, case of MSME in B2B distribution. Say you are an MSME distributing industrial tools to engineering companies. Without a structured CRM, your team loses track of who got a quote, who asked for revisions, who ghosted after a demo. You implement a CRM with 6 deal stages plus ChatGPT follow-up templates. Within 60 days, your quote to close ratio improves by 80% minimum. Use case number 2. Corporate sales team. Lack of lost deal insights. You manage a team of 15 reps. You use a CRM but never analyze lost deals. After implementing structured lost reasons, you discover 30% of losses are due to slow proposal turnaround. To fix that with a templated proposal generator plus shared Google Drive, within 3 months, your win rate may increase by 22%. Use case number 3. Services MSME inspired by training. One of my clients, a services MSME, attended my free 3-hour sales training. During that session, we discussed how a CRM could help them track follow-ups, coach their junior team, align their founder's vision with actual sales performance. They have now committed to implementing a CRM in FY 25-26, a game-changing decision because without a CRM, they were flying blind. Now the question is how to start CRM and AI for MSMEs. Here is a beginner-friendly CRM AI stack you can start with. First is CRM options. Zoho CRM, that is affordable plus customizable. HubSpot, free, great for early adoption. Freshsales for more automation features. And then AI add-ons. ChatGPT for email copy, call summaries, deal follow-up. Zapier for connecting your CRM to WhatsApp, Google Sheets, etc. Then Mailmodo or MailerLite for automated nurture flows. So here is my pro tip. Don't try to automate everything on day 1. Start with pipeline stages, follow-up templates, lost reason tagging, deal aging reports. Master this, then bring in automation. Now let me leave you with this. CRM is not about data entry, it's about decision clarity. When your CRM is clean, you first coach your sales team better. Second, focus your energy on high probability deals. Third, learn why you are losing and how to fix it. And fourth, stop wasting time on dead leads. CRM is not a software, it's a mirror for your sales process. And when paired with AI, it becomes your sales superpower. So, let's quickly recap what we covered today. 5 pipeline mistakes. No defined deal stages, forgotten stale deals, inconsistent usage, no lost reason tracking, and no automation or AI. CRM isn't just storage, it's your sales decision dashboard. With AI, CRM becomes your always-on sales assistant.
So, don't grow alone. Join hundreds of MSME founders inside the MSME Growth Hub, where real growth begins. Links in the description below. Subscribe for more clarity-led business breakthroughs.